All right, so before I can install all this stuff, I guess obviously gotta do some disassembly. So let's remove the door panels. Let's go do that first. All right, so I'm starting on the passenger side rear. My understanding there's gonna be near the bottom. Yep, looks like there's a, right here, there's a bolt. And then on the other side, there's another one. So there's gonna be need to remove this as well as the trim on the handle here. So got some plastic trim tools, and then yeah, sockets. Like I said, I think we need 7mm for the door. Yeah, I'm gonna get a pick tool as well. Might be easier to get this. I don't know if the trim tool is gonna fit in there. Yep, so 7mm on the bottom. The clips are on the top. My trim tool was flat enough to just kind of go into the top and press it down and pop it out. What are those? Are those 7s? Those look smaller. Maybe not. No, I guess those are. A couple of 7s behind that trim piece. A couple more 7s. All right, door card off. So I have a standard or base system, sound system in this one. These two harnesses, and then there was this here for the door latch. Lifted up on this little black tab here and kind of unlocked it and then slid it out accordingly. Also be mindful of your door lock. I don't have it in frame right now, but it's in the upright position, so just keep that in mind. On the back, looks like there's 1, 2, 3 screws holding in the bracket for the speaker. One harness is actually attached to the speaker directly. So let's disconnect that. Let's get this out. This was my blown speaker. All right, let's get the replacement and the brackets. I think it'd be pretty obvious, but just in case it needs to be stated, the 6.5s. These ones go in the rear, and I've heard some mixed reviews on the hardware that comes with this. Bracket looks great, and the holes line up, but the reviews that I saw regarding the negative reviews on the hardware were that it was low quality, I believe, or didn't work. I don't know. There was negative reviews on the hardware. We're about to find out if that's consistent with our experience. I have harnesses here. I'll give you 4, 1 for each speaker. Obviously, the part numbers seem to be the same, so I don't know that there's a difference for front and rears. Doesn't seem to be. Connections look to be the same. I mean, these should essentially be plug and play. They do provide you with some additional stuff in the kicker box for connectivity, but we shouldn't need that. One of the nice things about buying this kind of all-in-one system is it takes some of that extra work out of it for you. Granted, I'm sure they probably charge a bit of a premium, but not too crazy with this system, or this setup. It comes with these grills here, which I'm going to disregard for these ones because I'm just going to use the factory one to hopefully not muffle or distort the sound any more than I need to. Here's the bracket, right? So this should sit, the speaker should sit on top of the bracket. And I have these, using the hardware, it looks like there's 4 holes that line up accordingly with these to help secure it to the bracket, and then this would go into the door And then these holes line up with the factory slots, which I'll use the original factory hardware with. So let me screw these down to secure the speaker. A couple of observations. One, looks like this is on like my old speaker, like I was pointing out. I don't know. What the hell is that, you guys? Tell me. And then the second thing I was going to mention was I could see how the misconception comes in with the hardware not being appropriate. Because my initial thought was, yeah, maybe I should have like a, you know, a nut on the back here that secures this in place. But when you think about it, that's probably something they're trying to avoid, because if a nut comes loose, that's going to have pretty drastic effect, I'd assume, on the audio quality. You can have a rattling sound. I don't know. That's my uneducated guess. But let's get these plugged in the back here. Let me see if I can get it closer. You can see that's just going to be the black for the black one. But you can tell this one's a little bit fatter, a little bit wider. This one's a little bit more narrow. And then the connections are set up similarly. So obviously the super wide one would fit over that one, but the narrow one would not fit over the wider one. So just FYI. Line up the bracket with the factory holes. And I tried to have the wiring facing down because it's not very long, so keep that in mind. You're setting it up. You go to plug it in. If you have it upside down, if you have the wiring facing up here in the back, it's going to be a little bit tougher to reach because the length just isn't quite there on these. All right, let's plug that in. There's that extension. Excessive, but it'll do. I want to go snug but not too tight because the bracket's plastic, so trying to avoid damaging that. Yeah, let me get a couple small zip ties and cinch this down to the existing bunch of cables there. Got my subtle ones. All right, you can see I got it in. One down, 3 to go. All right, moving to a front door. Front door looks to be essentially the same, but you're gonna have an additional 7 mil up in the, I'll show you. I think it's up in here. So we're gonna take off that trim piece, and then there's an additional one in there. So just 2 on the bottom, that's the same. That off, but one of my little retaining clips, the white ones, fell off. And those guys popped out. All these little guys got the little clips. And this one popped out. Slip it back in, and it'll snug right back up. 2 7 mils behind that black trim piece, 2 7 mils behind that silver trim piece. And then let's pop off this. It's pretty straightforward trim piece. There's, yeah, 1 7 mil. So yeah, just the one extra for the front door panels. Right. Looks like there's a additional harness on this one to be considerate of. That's not supposed to happen, I don't think. All right, something I gotta look into. This was disconnected. Where the harness, the plug was in it, but it just slid right out. So it looks like that was the power window control, and I don't know. It looks like the bracket might have busted on there a little bit, which is why it's just slipped right out. Not sure exactly how that happened. In case you're curious, right here. So this plug, you can see along the top side, there's this where it should plug in, and on the top side you can kind of see right here there's little slots, but on this side it's broken, and you can see it's broken here. So yeah, continuing on. All right, so there's 4 screws holding this bracket in for the speaker. Nice little tight seal on this one. Out with the old, in with the new. Similarly to the rears, assuming this one should sit in the bracket on top. The holes don't line up as well on this one though. So what's going on there? Maybe this is where the hardware complaints are a little bit more accurate. Let's see what hardware is in here actually. It's close, but like you can only get like 3 of them, it looks like, to line up at one time really. So now I can see the complaints are warranted on the hardware. You can see how I now have this one here is missing the hardware. The holes just don't line up. Yeah, I guess you could drill out your own. I think this might be, oh, maybe not. Now that I think about it, I don't want this corner to be making flappy tapping sounds. So yeah, I'm gonna drill it out. The other thing about this one is, let me show you on the other bracket. So you can see the mounting slots are kind of this oblong oval shape here. They're not just circles. So it gives room for the screw to kind of play. It doesn't seat in nearly as well as the other ones, the rear brackets did. So I ended up using a nut and a bolt to make sure it was kind of locked in. But yeah, I'm gonna have to drill out a spot for those. So what I'll do is, since I have it here, I'll just show you real quick. I'll take my pick tool, kind of make a little guide hole that I can drill into. So I did the first one, just so you can see, it's pretty close. But I wanted to show you just to hopefully avoid any potential confusion on how I was doing this too. So get it lined up. So we've got the 3 lined up, and I'm just taking a pick tool and I'm poking a guide hole where I want to drill the hole. Drop this out, remove the speaker. Don't want to drill with the speaker in there. Now I have a little guide holder I'm going to aim for. Take the drill, line it up on the guide hole. So if you have a different set of hardware, you might use a different drill bit as I did, but again, it's dependent on, I guess, whatever hardware you end up going with. All right, I got them set up. Something I ran into with that new hole I drilled, it was so close to the factory one that it's kind of got a, you can see here, I ended up hitting it with the hardware I had. Like I said, I was using a nut, and it hits this. So fortunately, it's very snug, and since the hole was circular, not that oblong shape, it actually was quite a tight fit to squeeze in there. At least now there's no rattle because all 4 corners are kind of tightened down. We're gonna give it a go, see how it goes. If it doesn't go well, I guess I'll be very experienced in removing door panels. So put on the wiring harness before I button this down.
Close my eyes, take a deep breath. Been some years now, got my feet wet. Seeing the things I've been doing wrong, problems kept brewing for way too long. Changed my view, how I was seeing, found the roots of what I was being. Looking inside it hit me hard, I've been lying to my own heart. Spent too long putting blame away, now I'm walking down the honest way. Gotta keep the focus and stay on track, don't fall again where I once fell back. Right. There's a fire inside, it's real power.
Panel back on.
Keep willpower, stand tall, stay true, keep listening, be accountable, stay disciplined. I was lost in the noise, couldn't hear my own name, searching for feelings that I built in my brain. Now I see clear, control what work on yourself, find your weak spot. I know you're fighting your own thoughts. Yeah, I've been there, know that fight. Dreams stay dreams when you don't do it right, so shut it down. No more discussing, we know too well what comes from nothing, we live that life. Commitment shaky, carrying weight that's getting heavy, so let's lose that. I choose that, tired of the old, I'm on a new track. Starting small, no need to leap, one step at a time, that's how we'll reach. First round the block, then don't you stop. One day we'll stand on the mountaintop.
Now repeat on the other side.
I was lost in the north, couldn't hear